Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this adorable pinecone fairy. This is a great kids craft and perfect for on the go in the summer. You only need a few supplies, and say you're staying at a campsite or a cabin and you have access to some nature or maybe some pine cones. You can also have your kids go on a little scavenger hunt to find some of those things, like the pine cone and the leaves. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you and your kids can make this pinecone fairy. To begin, you will grab your wooden dowel cap, small wood bead, and purple paint. And to start, you will completely cover the small wood bead in purple paint. Next, you will grab the wooden dowel cap, and you are going to make sure that the top is the flat edge where there isn't a hole. And to start, you are going to paint on the bangs of your fairy. I think about creating the letter U just a little bit wider, and then creating a second U on the other side of it, and you will have the ends of them connect. These will be the bangs of your fairy, and then you can kind of go around the edge of the wooden dowel cap to make the rest of her hair purple. Next, you will grab your pine cone and you will paint it purple as well. You're going to want to use that same small brush we used before because we want to get on the inside and the outside of the pine cone. Next, you will cut off 2 leaves from your eucalyptus stem. And yes, you guessed it, we're also going to paint them purple. Next, we are going to make the face of our fairy. So we'll take that wooden dowel cap and our Sharpie and first draw on 2 eyes. You will just create 2 little dots, and I like to have my eyes a little bit spread apart. And then below the eyes, you will draw a little smile. And then next, you will grab your pink Sharpie to draw on your pink cheeks. You'll just draw a little circle on both sides of the smile. Next, you will glue on the small purple bead to the top of her head. This is her little bun, and to glue it on, you will use some glossy accents. Hold the bead on top of the fairy's head for a little while, and then set it aside to dry. Once the glue is dry, you will then add glue to the top of the pine cone, and then add the head to the top of the pine cone. Again, you will hold it there for a little while and then set it aside to dry. Next, you will add glossy accents to the leaves. You will want to do it at the bottom of the leaf, and then you will stick it on the back of the pine cone. These will act as your fairy's wings. Once the fairy wings have dried, you will then put some glue on the bottom of the pine cone and then set it on top of the birch round that you have. Let it dry, and then your pinecone fairy is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this pinecone fairy at craftsdirect.com/projects.